there, Tenzi here. Now that you have crocheted your bag and you think that your strap is stretching too much, one way of fixing it is to get a cotton yarn. All right, so grabbing your yarn here, you go through that first stitch 2 and you just go in and out, up and down, in and out, up and down through the whole strap. And make sure you measure your yarn before that so both sides can get exactly the same yarn. So there. Once you reach the other side, you tie it. You tie this side as well here. And find the yarn that's the closest to your color so you don't have such a difference. You can control here how much stretch you want to give your strap. And you do the same thing on the other side as well. So there, now that you try to stretch, the middle will stretch but not the sides. For the second option, you will need a scrap fabric or even a new fabric that you have. And the fabric that I have, when I fold it, it's actually a little less than the width of my strap. And that's how I want it. I'm just gonna trim those sides that I don't need here. Grab your sewing thread and use a sharp needle, not a tapestry needle. So this is the difference between them. Make a knot here at the end of your thread. And now that you have your fabric, use the right side of it. Make sure you open it and you find the right side. And then when you have it on the wrong side, make sure you fold it again where the two edges meet. And now when you have it like that, it's exactly the width that we needed, which is a little less than the whole width of your strap. So starting here, leave it a little longer, because when we put the lining in your bag, this side will hide inside of it. So make sure it's a tiny bit longer. And now grabbing your sharp needle here, go under so you can hide your knot. And then going on the sides of that last stitch we have here, we'll be grabbing a little bit of that stitch and a little bit of our fabric, and we'll just go carefully staying at the edge. And of course, find a color, a coordinating color for both of your yarn and your fabric so you don't have such a difference. But I wanted to show here so you can see it better on a camera, and when you flip it over, you cannot see the stitches even on this side, even with that different with a darker thread I used. And this way you will have extra fabric here in case it wiggles around or you need a tiny bit bigger, or if it's too wide, you can always fold it a little bit less inside, and you go all around your strap till the end of it. You can help yourself with pre-folding the fabric using those clips and securing it. They're pretty tight, so they'll help you. The fabric and the strap stay in the same place. And that's how we'll be working this side. And I'll leave links for all the materials and all these little clips in the description box. When you reach the end, just attach the little ending here inside before we put the big lining so it doesn't move around. Those stitches don't have to be very pretty, but at least don't let them show on the other side. So I hope this solved your problem with the stretchy strap, especially when you crochet with acrylic yarn. This problem does not exist much when you crochet with a cotton yarn, but that's a great little tutorial to solve your problem with that. And of course, you can use a wide ribbon here that you don't have to fold the sides of, and you just attach that ribbon to your strap. I hope I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Before you go, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch the next video. Cheers!